Brown civil suit. Louise H. Brown, in pro per, executor and personal representative of the estate of Nicole Brown Simpson, 222 Monarch Bay, Dana Point, California, 92629. J. John Quinlan Kelly of counsel, attorney at law, 330 Madison Avenue, New York, New York, 10017. Superior Court of the State of California for the County of Los Angeles. Louis H. Brown as executor and personal representative of the estate of Nicole Brown Simpson, deceased. Plaintiff versus Orenthal James Simpson, defendant. Case number SC03-6876. Complaint for damages. Survival action. CCP section 377.30. The plaintiff alleges first cause of action. Number 1. On or about November 7th, 1994, Louis H. Brown was appointed executor of the estate of Nicole Brown Simpson, deceased, by the Superior Court of California County in Los Angeles, in case number SP 002190. Testamentary letters are attached hereto, marked Exhibit A, and incorporated herein by this reference. Number 2. Plaintiff is executor and personal representative of the estate of Nicole Brown Simpson. Number 3. That at all times herein mentioned, all acts occurred in the community of Brentwood, County of Los Angeles, State of California. Number 4. Orenthal James Simpson is and was a resident of County of Los Angeles. Number 5. At all times herein mentioned, decedent Nicole Brown Simpson was a resident of the County of Los Angeles. Number 6. The true names or capacities, whether individual, corporate, associate, or otherwise, of the defendants designated herein as does 1 through 10, inclusive, and each of them are unknown to the plaintiff, who therefore sues said defendants by such fictitious names, and plaintiff will ask leave to amend this complaint at such time as the true names and or capacities are ascertained. Plaintiff is informed and believes, and thereon alleges, that each defendant designated herein as DOE is responsible in some manner for the events and happenings herein referred to, and caused or contributed to the injuries and damages to plaintiff as herein alleged. Number 7. On or about June 12th, 1994, after the foregoing cause of action arose in her favor, Nicole Brown Simpson, who would have been the plaintiff in this action if she had lived, died as the legal result of the wrongful acts of Orenthal James Simpson, and does 1 through 10. Number 8. On or about June 12th, 1994, Orenthal James Simpson, and does 1 through 10, planned and prepared to assault, batter, and murder Nicole Brown Simpson, and did thereafter, brutally and with malice, aforethought, stalk, attack, and repeatedly stab and beat decedent Nicole Brown Simpson. Defendants in each of them left her on the walkway in front of her residence to die. Nicole Brown Simpson survived the brutal attack for some unknown period of time, and thereafter bled to death as a direct legal result of the wrongful and homicidal acts of Orenthal James Simpson, and does 1 through 10. Number 9. The attack was perpetrated by defendant Orenthal James Simpson, and does 1 through 10, with the full knowledge that the assault and battery upon decedent's body would lead to her death. Each of the acts alleged herein were done with a wanton, reckless disregard for the rights of the decedent, and with the full knowledge that she would die as a result of said acts. Number 10. As a proximate result of the assault, battery, and murder of Nicole Brown Simpson by defendants, in each of them, decedent was required to and did employ physicians and surgeons to examine, treat, and care for her, and did incur medical and incidental expenses in an amount unknown at this time. The complaint will be amended according to proof when the amount becomes known. Number 11. On or about June 12, 1994, and immediately prior to decedent's death, personal property of decedent was destroyed as a legal result of defendant's wrongful acts. The amount of said property is unknown at present. The plaintiff will amend this complaint according to proof when said amount becomes known. Number 12. In doing the acts herein alleged, defendant and each of them acted with oppression, fraud, and malice, and plaintiff is entitled to punitive and exemplary damages in an amount to be proven at the time of trial. Wherefore, plaintiff prays judgment as follows. Number 1. For medical and related expenses according to proof. Number 2. For personal property according to proof. Number 3. For punitive and exemplary damages according to proof. Number 4. For costs of suit herein incurred. Number 5. For such other and further relief as the court may deem proper. Dated June 12, 1995. Signed, Louise H. Brown. Louise H. Brown as executor and personal representative of the estate of Nicole Brown Simpson, deceased, in pro per. End of report.